Welcome to our informative video on how to create recurring storage invoices. We aim to educate you on how to create these invoices on Trust Your Move. First, click on Storage from the left panel, and once you are on this page, click the purple button, New Storage. After navigating to the New Storage screen, you will notice two options located at the top right corner, New Client and Existing Client. A new client refers to a customer who has not yet received your services, while an existing client is one who you have already registered in the software. For the purpose of this video, we will be selecting an existing client. Once selected, you will need to input the storage number, storage position, and amount in store. Typically, the storage number is the unit or box number, while the storage position refers to the location of the goods within the unit or box. The amount in store is measured in cubic feet or cubic meters and represents the total amount. To add additional units for this client, simply click on the green plus button. At the bottom of the page, you will come across two buttons, Create Storage and Create Storage and Invoice. The green Create Storage button simply saves the data entered on the current page. On the other hand, clicking the Create Storage and Invoice will take you to the recurring storage invoice creation page. Now you are in the recurring invoice page, you will see a few options. Please pay attention to the blue box at the top of the page, as this will show you the options that you have selected. From the right side you will see a few boxes. The first box is your first recurring invoice date. This is the date that you will send the first recurring invoice to your client. Box 2 below is the payment interval. This is how often you wish to send your client an invoice. Once you have added how often you wish to send this invoice, then the date below this box will automatically select the next recurring date. Finally, you have box number 3, this is how many invoices that you wish to send to your client before the invoice profile stops. When you have selected your options at those boxes, it's now time to fill in the required information such as payment terms, and how you wish to be paid. You can do this by selecting payment method. Now you are happy with your invoice, just click the Start button and it will automatically fire an invoice to your client from the first recurring invoice date, to however many you select weekly, monthly, or annually. Remember, if you wish to edit this recurring profile, you will find your recurring invoices from the left panel under Invoices, All Invoices, then Recurring. When editing, always click Pause, then Edit, then click Start. This informational video was brought to you by Trust Your Move.